Make a great choice today with the 2022 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, mirror memory, navigation system, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.